Morning, lifestylers. This is your girl Yoli, and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. Guys, it's one heck of a morning. The way I'm tired, guys, I have to just drive and jam to music. Yes, guys, tiredness increase. Anyways, guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Yes, yeah, Vlogmas Day 18. Wow, we're getting there slowly but surely. Anyways, guys, just pull up on the job. Yes, another day, another dollar. And I'm thankful, to be among the living. So yes, guys, today is another creating. Guys, actually, let me switch it up. Today's gonna be a great day. Anyways, right now, guys, I'm not feeling my best. As you know, most of you guys know I suffer with chronic back pain, and it's back in today. My back is back in. Guys, why won't my phone turn on? The back is back in, guys. Yeah. My back is hurting. Everything hurting, guys. My tummy is hurting. I just feel not myself this morning. But I'm going to push it through. It's not a long day. So I'm just going to push it through. I'm going to push through. Grace of God, I'm going to make it. Yes, guys. So, anyways, guys, if you're new over here, welcome to my channel. To all my new subbies, to all my new lifestylers, welcome to the family. And again, guys, if you're new here, just go ahead and hit that notification button. So whenever time I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Guys, give your girl a thumbs up. Interact with me in the comment section, and don't forget to share my content with your family and your friends. Yes, guys. And for all my real OG, thank you so much, for sticking and staying with me. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna my work phone is giving me issue, so I guess it's gonna be a minute. So I'm just gonna go in. We'll talk later. Oh god. Okay, finally. Hello, my lifestylers. Guys, lunchtime. I'm just running to Tim Hortons to get a little coffee and some potato wedges. You know, my back get too big for the Christmas, guys. It's already big. So I have to limit my, intake, guys. But yeah, so guys, I'm at work. After work ends, I'm gonna go by Bath and Body Works. Yeah, I missed their candle sale. I need some hand soap. I like having their hand soap in my bathroom for Christmas. Then let a Christmas scent and soap and such. So I'm gonna go Bath and Body Works after work. Yeah, Bath and Body Works, and where else? I have somewhere else to go. Somewhere else to go. Can't remember now, guys. But just a check-in, guys, so I'm gonna know how my day go. Nothing too exciting today, guys. Come on at work, but we still create content. When I go home, I want to make sorrel. So I might do that with you guys. So this vlog is gonna be late because I'm literally on day by day now. Literally. all of the extra recordings that I had, them finished. So right now, me I go day by day. Me I take it one step at a time. Yeah, guys. So, me check back in with you guys, alright? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Hello, lifestylers. How is everybody doing? So, guys, I'm giving y'all a little update. So, I'm currently at the mall. I'm gonna go to Bath and Body. I need candles and what is it called? Guys, you hear the music? Music just ruins everything. Guys, I'm trying to vlog in here, but the music, I can't win. Guys. I cannot win. Hello, lifestylers, guys. Hey, it's gonna be another late. What was it? Day 19, guys. I came home. And first, guys, man, I came home maybe about after 2, and I don't know. This morning when I got work, guys, I did tired. But I don't know, I just feel like extra tired to the point where I just have to play upbeat music to just make my body come alive. And after work, like the tiredness left me. And then after work, it got money turned on that a little. Then after work, the tiredness come back again. I'm gonna get home, guys. I did have to take the kids them off the bus, and no word of a lie. Word of a lie. Me, what you call it? No word of a lie. Me lean up in the sofa, so guys, and I pass out. Come and say. It was like 30 minutes before the kids then come home. So I said, I'm not change my clothes because, then soon come lean up, guys, my pass out. You see, after then come home, me just took off my clothes and, guys, that was it. Me just a wake up. I just a wake up, guys. My body needed that 3 hours sleep that I got. Me did exact. My body just did so tired. So now, the kids them Obi gave the kids them dinner already, but I still have to make dinner for us and for me and Obi and Aquan, so he can bring lunch tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna make some quick curry and some curry chicken and rice. Yeah. Yeah. So after me done my dinner or something, at that time I gotta edit. Yeah. But it's not a long vlog, so I'll be fine. It's a quick maybe 15-20 minutes vlog. Yeah. Just had to give you guys an update, alright? Then I like them curry too small guys. Them like bite size, so them can't bite down in it. So I'm gonna have to cut it up too small because I'm not like it small. Guys, I love, who love curry chicken back? Guys, me love. Before I had braces, I love bone. Like you could have given me curry chicken back over meaty part of the chicken. Guys, me love curry chicken back. When me normally cook like whole chicken, I always save the back part for myself. No, we can't do that again. That's one thing I miss. Not able to be eating the bony parts of the meat. How to touch candles or play with candles. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You don't do that again. You're not allowed to do that. Guys. It's a girl touch the can. Cover it up. You know that cover that comes with the candle. I don't know what's wrong with Promise.
That's why you say that word.
Why I say that word?
Yeah.
I shouldn't say that word. What's wrong with Promise?
No.
Huh? Why?
Because you don't have to. You're allowed to.
But what's wrong with you? Why you did that?
Because no one doesn't love. There's no way.
You didn't know that you're not supposed to play with those stuff? Huh?
No.
Well, now you know, right? Now you know? Now you know?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Mom, I'm staying there.
Huh?
I'm staying there.
Why are you still standing there?
Because I have to.
Because you're embarrassed?
Yeah.
Yeah? No need to be embarrassed. Just don't touch it again. Okay? Okay, Miss Promise, Riley? Quick 1, 2, 3. Chicken done cut up there. I'm happy.
That's a rock.
I don't have to get up early.
We're so early. Okay. But I want to eat some food. Yum, 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 yum. I like this food.
So guys, you know I always have to wash with chicken with vinegar every time. Vinegar or lemon, I use both. Call me extra, but I use both. Okay, chicken washed up. Chicken washed up.
I need help.
Take off them gloves there.
How easy.
And season up the chicken up. Throw some green season,
That's
throw some
cool.
season. Guys, that's a convenient thing.
Are you
Blending
sure?
up a little green season ahead of time, so now I have to go clean up the season. And so forth, me just get my green season and I throw it on. Period. Period.
Ever.
Guys, make a quick season up, see? Green season. Nice, quick cooking, you know? As you say, oh, you're gonna be out of the kitchen. Yeah. Put 1 teaspoon. Yeah, that's a dot. What we got here, so now? Some black pepper. Let me tilt it down.
I want my soup.
So guys, I add the green season already. Some black pepper.
Thank you. Yeah. Can I have your soup?
Some pimento.
Oh no. You're taking a suitcase.
Some
Hey,
Maggi
wait.
all-purpose.
Why you take our suitcase? It made Pinky stand up. No, we're gonna be angry, Pinky.
Some better pack curry.
Remember, he's not angry. Don't angry.
You can't walk here, promise.
Don't cry. We're gonna angry.
Some curry.
Stop.
You can't pass here right now, promise.
But I can crawl. What is talking about?
And some seasoned salt. So not put too much, guys, because them season here, you know, them full of salt. So it's better I add it to the gravy after than over salt it. So I'm gonna rub this in and throw it on the stove quick and fast.
Not me. It so hurts. Ow. What's it? Ow! You're not talking.
So guys, done.
Let's go on the same.
Green season, everybody in that. So now guys, we put the pot for us. Yeah. When the pot's hot, put the oil. Throw the chicken in, throw on the rice. Read a book with promise and wait for it to simmer down.
Hey, you don't have children.
Guys, you guys must be saying I love late cooking. I don't like cooking, period. Joking, guys. Honestly, the kitchen is not my most favorite place. However, I can cook. I can cook real good. And this is not no self-praise, but I can cook, but I don't like the kitchen. If I can't stay out of the kitchen, I will stay out of the kitchen. Trust me. Guys, when my mom is here, we don't look this way, we don't know what this name. No.
How you know me? I broke you too. Because you allowed to do that. Pinky suitcase. Right?
Put on. Look how fast the pot's hot.
Okay, thanks.
That pot's hot.
Well, now wait to do
Turn you down.
I'm trying again.
leave, put the curry on. Curry is in the pot. I'm gonna put on the rice now. Here. Rice done. Rice done, guys.
That's the cow from. I don't do things. Oh my god. This isn't good. This is. Okay. I want to get away from it. Oh, oh, oh. Rufo.
Put the butter.
We're ready at pizza.
You already have pizza?
Yeah.
I know that. This is for me, Dad, and Anquan.
Why did you eat pizza?
Nah, I don't like pizza like that.
What? I like pizza. Mommy likes pizza.
Yeah, I want.
Only children like pizza.
Adults like pizza, but
Mom,
I want
please,
chicken and rice.
Mom. Please.
See
Yeah.
rice on. That's how I love rice. Cooking up the rice on, chicken on. Yeah. Let that go and cook itself, guys.
That's my favorite.
And yeah, that's that. That's that.
How?
I'm gonna clean up back the sink, sanitize it,
I
bleach it out, cover it have meat in there, and yeah.
break that way much. Get away! You don't trap us, Nana. Run! Run! Okay, that's fine.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna cut off Vlogmas Day 18 right here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Yep. And I will catch you guys on Vlogmas Day 19. Yeah, guys, dinner almost done. Okay, so ooh, that is it right there. Just to make it simmer down. And the rice almost done. 6 minutes left. So this need another maybe 8 minutes too. So yep. Thank you guys for tuning in. Catch you tomorrow.
Sweats on, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say